27, so you get your voltage there. So we got that. Yep, and your high voltage is there. Then one thing it'll ask for is, what is the pressure of your incoming one? So over here, we're 10 psi down. What we're looking at is the difference. So an 8 psi drop is good, because if we take that on the chart, there's a chart that you'll use with this that says what we should be how many drops. Okay, definitely. You can also plug in to get our temperature, water in, water out. The easiest way I know, because I don't know how accurate those are.